Welcome to Techstination. We're chatting with David Lundgren, the CEO at Piper. Thank you for joining us, David.
Fred, thank you for coming to see us here at PepCom. We really appreciate that.
And you've been on the market for a while now with do-it-yourself computer kits, aimed primarily at young people, but I guess age is something that can be easily defined in any direction.
Yeah, we like to say age 8 and up because, believe it or not, we've had seniors buy these kits and teach themselves programming on a Piper computer kit.
Well, tell us about the latest.
Certainly, this is the Piper Computer Kit 2, and it's based on the Raspberry Pi Model 3 version B, and it's a build-your-own computer kit that you assemble using a screwdriver from raw parts. And when I say raw parts, I mean basic hardware. Brass screws, nuts, wires, raw display parts, and laser-cut wood pieces. It typically takes an 8-year-old about 2 to 3 hours, and when they're done and they press the on button, they're launched into a world of 3D animated characters roaming through the Raspberry Pi edition of Minecraft. And that's a 3D world that has the ability to create, alter, and modify all kinds of things.
And this comes with all kinds of capabilities besides doing Minecraft, right?
Well, it does. And Minecraft is the hook by which we lead students into learning about basic electrical engineering concepts such as series and parallel circuits, open and closed circuits, basic components like LEDs, switches, and buttons. And the really unique thing about Piper is that the projects you physically build using real industry standard electronic components affect what happens in the Minecraft world. So it sort of breaks that fourth wall and allows the atoms of the physical world to interact with the bits of the digital world in a way that's really unique.
And this runs on a rechargeable battery?
It certainly does. And we've been lit up here for almost 2 hours, and we're still on 4 out of 4 bars. So it's a long day of play that you get out of a battery. It's a lithium-ion battery.
What are kids actually going to learn doing this?
Kids will learn things as basic to engineering, such as how to read a blueprint, how fasteners and 4-bar linkage mechanisms work, how a microcomputer, a single board computer like the Pi, does inputs and outputs, how current flows through circuits. One of the most important things that they'll learn is how power, current and voltage, interact in a circuit. And we've got some more products coming out in October that are going to take that learning to the next level.
What can you tell us about it?
With my PR head of communications here, I can tell you that those products are excellent and information is under embargo right now.
All right. For more information, where do we go?
Playpiper.com, our website.
David Lundgren, thanks for taking the time with us.
Fred, thank you for taking the time.
Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C. Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.